All right, let's get started with our unit test for polynomial factorization. What do we have for the first question? The rectangle below has an area of 30k cubed plus 6k squared. The width of the rectangle is equal to the greatest common monomial factor of 30k cubed and 6k squared. What is the length and width of the rectangle? So this is the length, this is the width. Okay, so we know the areas. We have to find the width and length. Okay. Width of the length is equal greatest common monomial factor, so also known as HCF, highest common factor of 30k cubed and 60k square. Sorry, 6k square. So if we take out 6 from 30, we are left with 5. That's easy. So we can take out 6 and k squared. We're left with only k here, 5k. So that 5, 6 is 30, k cubed, and we're left with 1. So highest common factor is 6k squared. So this is the width, 6k squared. If we know the width of 6k squared, then we can find the area by dividing 6k squared with 30k cubed plus 6k squared. So this is equal to 30k cubed divided by 6k squared is 5k. So we have 5k plus 1. So this is the length. 5k plus 1 is the length, and 6k squared is the width. 6k squared is the width. Let's see. There we go. So if I found the HCF, or the greatest common monomial factor, and because we know that the area is the product of width and length, I have used that to find. What I'm doing, I'm just doing the reverse step. I'm just because I know the area, area equals width times W times L. So I know the area and to find length, so length equals A divided by width. This is what I've done here.